Information about Zippo, the special lighter with a lifetime guarantee on the internal mechanism, and collectors all over the world. The Zippo was invented in 1932 by George G. Bladel in Bradford, Pennsylvania. The name of the Zippo comes from the word zipper. Our inventor Blaisdell thought the word zipper sounded very nice. However, the patent for zipper was already taken out. Back then, the original price of a Zippo was $1.95. Yes, less than $2. Zippo started to add such letters, symbols, motifs on the lighters. In other words, they started to produce John and Johnny in 1935. The first patent for the Zippo wind-resistant lighter was obtained on March 3, 1936. Patent number 2032695-Zippo made its first national advertisement in 1937. And where? In Esquire magazine. Zippo sold more than 300,000 lighters between 1934 to 1940 with punchboard advertisements and promotions. In 1940, these punchboards were considered to be a kind of game of chance and were ruled illegal. Since 1932, Zippos have been manufactured in Bradford, Pennsylvania. This is already indicated on the bottom of each lighter as the place of production. The Zippo Canada, produced between 1949 and 2001, is stamped with the Niagara Falls symbol. Since 1932, Zippo has produced over 400 million lighters. The production of the 400 millionth lighter was celebrated on September 3, 2003. Zippo produces around 12 million lighters a year. In the late 1950s, a Zippo lighter came out of the belly of a fish, and the Zippo burned on the first strike. The average weight of a slim design Zippo is 42 grams, while the typical slightly chubby Zippo weighs 56 grams. There are 15 Zippo collecting clubs around the world. 21% of Zippo users are Zippo collectors. If all the Zippos ever produced were placed side by side, they would cover half the circumference of the Earth. 122 American football fields filled with all the Zippos ever produced. During the first Gulf War, a Zippo design called Desert Shield and Desert Storm was produced. The design adapted the soldier camouflage to the Zippo. Operation Iraqi Freedom Series consists of different designs and is dedicated to the soldiers who fought in Iraq. Vietnam Collector Set is limited to only 5,000 Zippos, dedicated to the 2.7 million U.S. soldiers who fought in Vietnam. Finally, there is the Korean War Collector Set, dedicated to the U.S. soldiers who served in the Korean War, and the Zippos dedicated to the Freedom Guards who fought in the Second World War, where historical figures and events such as General Montgomery, Eisenhower, Iwo Jima are used in the design.